You're watching Wake Up Today.
Well, the Hawaii State Bar Association Young Lawyers Division is observing Law Week, and volunteer attorneys will be covering different legal topics every day. Today, the topic is insurance defense. Joining us with more details is Derek Turbin, partner and managing attorney at Gilson Dobb. Good morning, Derek.
Hey, thanks so much for having me.
Thank you very much for being here. So let's kick it off.
Yeah.
Tell us about the average person wants to know the insurance defense. What is this all about?
Yeah, you can break it down to three areas. I work in workers' compensation, so if someone gets injured on the job, I represent the employer, and the insurance carrier typically covers his or her injuries. There's also car accidents or personal injury, and then there's also insurance claims for property damage, such as flooding, and you're covered through homeowners insurance or renters insurance for that. So
this insurance, it's a wide spectrum of insurance.
It's huge. It's a huge field.
Now, speaking of insurance, I'm one of them. Sometimes you feel pressure to get that first offer. So what's the pros and cons for insurance offers? Why should we not accept the first settlement or first offer from an insurance company? What should we do here?
I'd say most of the time it is the negotiations, especially for injury claims such as work comp or car accidents. So there is going to be that first offer, and there is a bit of a negotiation. One of the other things I'll say is there's no shame in contacting an attorney, talking to an attorney about your injury, your work injury, or your car accident injury. And it's always good to consult an expert. So talking to an attorney to help you through this negotiation process is always really helpful.
Oh, good advice. So now how about this one? If somebody finds himself in a situation with workers' compensation, what should be their first step?
Absolutely. Always report the injury. So on the injured worker side, if you're injured on the job, don't feel like you got to tough it out. Let your employer know, report that injury. If you're an employer and one of your workers gets injured on the job, you never want to ignore it, think it's going to go away. Report that injury to your insurance carrier.
Oh, also good advice. So let's head down to maybe the homeowner's insurance, car insurance. What is the best way for someone to report damage as far as that insurance?
Absolutely. With the recent Kona low floods, been a really wet, stormy year. If your roof is leaking, if your house flooded, take pictures. If you got to fix it right away, document the receipts and the costs. And again, report it right away. I think there's this misconception or a fear that something bad is going to happen if you call your insurance carrier to let them know about damage that your house had. But they are there for a reason. Most insurance carriers really are nice people, so report it right away.
There you go. And the key, nice people.
Yeah.
Everyone's nice people.
Yeah. You got so many great, local adjusters, really good people. I work with plenty of adjusters here in Hawaii. They're really kind. They want to get the injured worker back to work. They want to get them healthy. So don't be intimidated by making a call to your insurance carrier and reporting an injury or reporting property damage.
Okay, Derek, that's good advice as well. Now, finally, any big news coming down the pipeline as far as insurance?
Yeah, I follow a lot of the laws at the legislature. On the work injury side, we're seeing some really good laws to help out those injured workers, to get them the treatment they need really quickly, to get them their treatment even if the claim is denied. So those are some laws passing through the legislature. On top of that, some recent laws passed providing kind of funded hurricane insurance. So if there is that property damage from hurricanes, our legislature is working to help out those families affected by storms.
All right, Derek Turbin, mahalo for your time this morning.
Great. Thanks so much for having me. Great to be here.
Thank you for joining us this morning, bright and early. So, good advice. In fact, all week long, it's going to be Law Week. Mahalo to Derek Turbin again. Stick around. Coming up with a quick check on those morning traffic conditions. And, of course, just ahead, we'll have that 4 forecast for the week ahead when Wake Up Today returns.